Thank you very much for joining us here on this Friday. You're watching Business at 9 and I'm Nivedna Prabhu. Our top focus, market regulator SEBI has expanded scope of Jane Street investigation. The SEBI is examining Jane Street trades on other indices and across exchanges. Anurag Joshi joins in with more. Anurag, good evening. What are we picking up?
SEBI sources have said that the investigation into trading firm Jane Street will continue. The SEBI's interim order is not a show-cause notice, and the order looked at only 18 major days of prima facie Bank Nifty index manipulation on the expiry date from a period of Jan 2023 to March 2025. The probe also looked at 3 days of Nifty index manipulation on the expiry date during May 2025. Now the investigation into other expiry days and other indices across exchanges and other potential patterns will need to continue. And SEBI sources say that there should not be any major market impact from this enforcement action. This is because the delta-based future equivalent limits are in place for index options to curb excessive risk-taking without impacting regular participants. In the long run, sources say that the growth in market confidence and a free and fair market and should aid in the responsible investing and the capital formation. So that's what the goal should be, according to those sources. And now better enforcement of the existing regulations can pave the way for optimal regulation. But on the flip side, more regulations cannot mean poor enforcement. And the order clearly demonstrates and underscores this. The SEBI had done away with the proposal of intraday limits on index or option positions, and this was because it was confident of the desired objectives of better surveillance and enforcement. Now the SEBI interim order says that Jane Street made illegal gains of 4,843 crore from trading in index options, and its total profit from such trading was almost 44,000 crores. According to the sources, there appears to be a little still too much of concentration on short-term expiries and short-term trading, and extending maturities and nudging more long-term hedging and investments will be ideal for the ecosystem.